Bianca here. First video 2017 about right. Anyway, there's like two birds in like my laundry room. And they're so cute. There you go. Oh, there it is. So hard to keep up. There. There's a fat red one and a brown one. Cardinals. Is that the... no, okay. Here comes the brown one. It's so cute. You can see the red one like right up there. See it? So cute. I want to keep one. I want the fat red one. That one's cute. Anyway, yeah, I just want to say that because I like burbs. Burbs. Anyways. Yeah, because there's a bird in my living room, and it's snowing outside. Yeah, it's snowing. I just painted it, and my hands are still freezing. Anyways, guys, hope you guys liked the burbs in this video. Probably didn't, but whatever. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Probably didn't. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.